Thinking about adding a masonry heater to your home? Before you start, it's crucial to understand the code requirements that keep your system safe and efficient. In this short video, we'll cover the key safety clearances, foundation, and chimney standards every homeowner and designer should know. Masonry heaters are built under national and local building codes. The main national standard is ASTM E160294, which defines construction and installation guidelines. Local building departments may add their own rules, so always check before you build. Good news, masonry heaters are clean burning, producing only 1 to 2 grams of emissions per hour, well below the EPA's limit. That's why they're exempt from EPA certification, a big advantage for eco-friendly homes. Safety distances are critical. Keep at least 4 inches between the heater and any combustible walls, and 8 inches above the top. The 5-inch air gap recommendation is for better heater performance. The floor area around the firebox must be non-combustible, like tile, stone, or concrete, extending 16 inches forward and 8 inches on each side. And remember, these heaters are heavy. A strong foundation or reinforced pad is required to support the weight safely. Every masonry heater needs a double-wall insulated flue pipe, also known as Class A chimney pipe. Smaller heaters use a 6-inch diameter, while larger ones may need 7 or 8 inches. Minimum height? 17 feet, and it must extend 3 feet above the roof, or 2 feet higher than anything within 10 feet. Most areas require building permits and inspections, so always work with an experienced installer who knows local codes. Following these code requirements ensures your masonry heater delivers safe, clean, and lasting warmth for generations. For expert guidance and more educational videos, subscribe to our channel and stay warm the right way.